What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Aria, gonna do a room tour of the Staywell Deluxe King Strip View room in room 23054 on the 23rd floor, Staywell Edition. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the room, you come into your entryway, and as you come into your entryway, you have your closet space immediately to the left. So you actually have two sides. So this will be door number one. Behind this door, you actually have your hangers and your luggage rack. And in the middle of these two, you have your drawers. So if you need to store things, you have 4 drawers. I'm not gonna open all 4 for time purposes, but you have storage space. And then behind this door, you have your iron and ironing board with a complimentary robe and an additional luggage rack as well as hangers. So you have 2 different closets, so that can be very convenient for those who may want that. Immediately to the right is your bathroom. So you do have this sliding door here that you can lock for the privacy in the bathroom. But as you come into the bathroom to the right, you have dual vanity sinks with a big mirror and plenty of lighting. So for those who like to take pictures with a lot of lighting, you would love this bathroom. And then you have the vanity mirror to glamify yourself if you want that specifically. Behind these tempered doors is your water closet. So you have a phone so that you can call for help if you need help, and a toilet as well. And then to the left of the doors, opposite of your dual vanity, is your walk-in shower and soaking tub. So you have it combined and enclosed. You have a bench, nice good space for the walk-in shower. And then you have, with the Staywell Edition, you have your shower head, and up there above, as you can see, that is a vitamin C infuser. So that is something that you get in this Deluxe King room. That's the Staywell Edition. And then back there, as you see, you have a very nice size soaking tub. So very, very nice bathroom space. So we will head on over into the bedroom area. And as we make our way into the bedroom area, before you get there, to the left, you have a full body mirror so that you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Gotta make sure you're fresh before you hit the strip always. And then opposite side of this full body mirror, you actually have panels on the wall for the drapes and the sheers, the blackout shades, but we're not gonna use that because there's a better feature option for that. So into the main part of the room, this is a really nice room. We'll start over on the bedside. You have your nice king size bed. It's a very comfortable bed. And then over to the right of this bed, you actually have a tablet where you can control multiple things. And this is where we're going to open the shades and the blackouts and the shades, Lord have mercy. But you can control the lighting, temperatures, all of that. But we're gonna just open the shears and the shades. And as you see, when you push those two, looks like our blackouts got stuck. They will open automatically. Very, very nice. But it looked like our blackout was getting stuck here. All right, now what's going on? There we go. Oh, looked like it got caught on the hook. So yeah, you can open the blackouts and shears. Very convenient feature. Can also control the temperature as well. Over on this side, this is your work desk space. So you do have a little light here, and then you have a chair and a desk. So if you're here to do some work, you have a space for that. And you also have a connectivity panel. So if you want to hook up some USB devices, or if you have some other portable media, you have that, as well as standard outlet charging ports. And of course, a wall mounted flat screen TV. Over here in the mini bar space, you have some snacks above. You can just grab those. It will charge your card used at check-in. And then you have a mini fridge down here with some more drinks and snack options, same as with the snacks above. You just grab it right out of the mini bar and you'll see it when you check out. Now, a feature of the Staywell room as well is you have this air purifier, so it helps keep the air more purified in these rooms. That's something that they actually add for the Staywell features to keep it fresh and tidy. You have ice bucket and cups. And before I get over here to this other side, let me over here and point out this little sound effect. So if you want some type of soothing noise, you do have a soothing speaker over here, so you can play different sounds. You can play rain, white noise, ocean, summer nights, different sound options if you just want to have a relaxing type of vibe. So again, that is also a Staywell feature. You will only get it in the Staywell rooms. Now over here on this side, you do have a phone, you have a bedside lamp. So if you want your reading lamps, or if you want to cut all the room lights off, you can control that from there. And then here you have a special lamp that has a clock. You can set an alarm, or you can listen to music. Multiple features with this little ring thing here. I can't tell you exactly what it is because I'm not 100% sure, but I was messing around with it and I saw that the features were cool. Before I get to the view, if you do have guests, as you can see here, you have 2 chairs and a table, so that's very convenient if people need a place to sit. And then for the finale, this is your strip view. This is your view that you can see with the lights on, but of course we're going to cut the lights off so you can enjoy the true view of this strip view and get the full effects. And that's going to do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.